What if you could start with nothing and still build real wealth? No big savings, no special connections, just the right mindset and strategy. While it may seem impossible, many people have done exactly that by making smart decisions, staying consistent, and playing the long game. From small daily habits to powerful financial principles, the path to wealth is more accessible than you might think. Today, we will talk about how to build wealth from nothing. So, before we get started, make sure to hit that like button. Also, subscribe to my channel. Imagine starting with no money, no inheritance, and no connections, and yet, one day, you achieve financial freedom. It sounds impossible to most people, but history is full of individuals who built massive wealth from literally nothing. The truth is, building wealth isn't about luck, it's about strategy, mindset, and consistent action. In this video, we will explore practical steps and principles anyone can follow to build wealth from scratch, even if you feel like you're starting at zero. Watch closely until the end, because these insights can change the way you approach money forever. 1. Adopt the right mindset. The first step to building wealth is thinking like someone who can create it. Many people are held back by limiting beliefs. I don't have money, so I can't get rich, or I'm not lucky enough. Financially successful people understand that wealth starts in the mind. A wealth-building mindset means believing in your ability to learn, adapt, and take calculated risks. It also means focusing on opportunities rather than obstacles. For example, a person with this mindset sees a small job or side hustle not just as income, but as a chance to learn skills, save, and invest for bigger opportunities later. This mindset also involves patience. Building wealth from nothing doesn't happen overnight. It requires consistent effort, smart choices, and long-term thinking. 2. Learn financial literacy. If you want to grow money, you must understand money. Financial literacy is the foundation of wealth. It includes understanding budgeting, saving, investing, debt management, taxes, and risk. Start by tracking your income and expenses. Know exactly how much comes in and goes out each month. Next, learn about different investment options: stocks, bonds, mutual funds, ETF, real estate, and retirement accounts. Financially successful people study these options constantly. For example, someone starting with nothing might first invest a small amount in a low-cost index fund. Over time, as knowledge and capital grow, they expand into other investment types. Understanding money helps you make informed decisions instead of reacting impulsively or falling for scams. 3. Start saving early, no matter how small, even if you don't earn much. Saving consistently is critical. Wealth grows from the habit of putting money aside regularly. Start small. $10, $50, or $100 a week is enough to begin. The key is consistency. This savings habit also builds discipline. As your savings grow, you can invest them to generate returns. Over time, these small amounts compound into significant wealth. For instance, investing $100 a month at a 7% annual return for 20 years can grow to over $50,000 zero. Starting small doesn't limit your future. It sets the foundation for wealth building. 4. Reduce expenses and live below your means. A critical step to building wealth is spending less than you earn. Many people fail to save because their lifestyle matches or exceeds their income. Financially successful people control their expenses, prioritize needs over wants, and avoid unnecessary debt. This doesn't mean living poorly. It means making intentional choices. For example, instead of buying a new car every few years, they drive reliable used cars and invest the money saved. Instead of dining out frequently, they cook at home or budget for experiences that align with their goals. By keeping expenses low, more money can be allocated to savings and investments, which accelerates wealth growth. 5. Increase your income strategically. While saving is essential, building wealth often requires increasing income. Financially successful people focus on skills and opportunities that allow them to earn more over time. Start by improving your skills. High-demand skills like coding, digital marketing, finance, or sales can dramatically increase earning potential. Next, look for side hustles or freelance work that can supplement your main income. This could include online tutoring, content creation, selling products online, or consulting. The wealthy understand that relying solely on one source of income limits growth. By strategically increasing income streams, they can save, invest, and scale their wealth faster. 6. Invest wisely, and consistently investing is the key to turning money into wealth. While saving builds a foundation, investments make your money work for you. Financially successful people invest regularly, diversify their portfolios, and stay disciplined during market fluctuations. For beginners, low-cost index funds, or ETFs, are a great starting point. These funds track the stock market and grow over time, benefiting from compound interest. As knowledge and capital increase, consider real estate, dividend stocks, or even small business ventures. The principle is simple: invest consistently, start early, and let time multiply your wealth. 7. Avoid bad debt. Debt can destroy wealth if mismanaged. Financially successful people use debt strategically, but avoid consumer debt like credit cards, payday loans, or luxury purchases on credit. Smart debt can be used for investments, such as buying property or funding a business. Bad debt, however, drains money in interest payments and limits growth potential. Avoiding unnecessary debt allows more funds to flow into savings and investments, accelerating wealth accumulation. 8. Build multiple income streams. Wealthy people rarely rely on a single income source. They create multiple streams, which could include a business, investments, side hustles, and passive income. For example, someone may have a main job while renting a property, earning dividends from stocks, and running an online business. Multiple income streams provide financial security, reduce risk, and accelerate wealth growth. They allow you to reinvest earnings from one source into another, creating a self-reinforcing cycle of wealth. 9. Focus on long-term goals. Short-term thinking can be harmful to wealth creation. The financially successful think long-term. They set clear goals for 5, 10, or 20 years and make decisions aligned with those objectives. For example, instead of spending a bonus on luxury items, they invest it in a business, stocks, or education. Long-term thinking allows patience during market fluctuations, ensures consistent growth, and prevents impulsive financial decisions. Wealth isn't built overnight, it is a product of disciplined actions over years. 10. Embrace continuous learning and adaptation. The world of finance, business, and technology changes constantly. Financially successful people adapt by continuously learning. They read books, follow financial news, attend courses, and seek mentorship. Adaptation also means being flexible in strategies. If one investment underperforms, they analyze, learn, and pivot. Those who stick rigidly to old methods or refuse to learn often fall behind. Knowledge and adaptability are what allow someone to turn small beginnings into lasting wealth. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comments section below. Before you go, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.